dump truckers. I'm just waiting for Bobby to get home, and then we're gonna go pick up a new shipping container, well, a used shipping container, new to us, that Bobby bought at auction last week. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna go ahead and unhook my pup trailer and get hooked up to the equipment trailer so that we can go get that. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride because I think this is gonna be kind of a fiasco. We're all hooked up, just waiting on Bobby to get home so that we can head on up. Should I let Bobby drive? Or do you think he's gonna make me drive? What do you guys think? Pop in here and interrupt to let everyone know that we're doing one last pre-order reprint of the original gray and blue Beyond Dirt TA80 sweatshirts and t-shirts. The link for the pre-order is in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Now back to trucking. I'm gonna go grab some gloves and see if I can help strap this thing down. It's hard to hold the camera and get any work done. Yeah, that'll get us home. Okay. I think you should just leave that dangling so we can have like a little tail behind us everywhere we go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. He's gonna tie up that strap and then we're gonna back out into the street and we're gonna go home. The truck route is this way. Well, are you pretty excited about your... Hey, you know what? When you were like, I want to buy this container at auction, I was like, okay, this seems like a crazy idea, but okay. Be a nice addition.
It looks like it's been through war.
It probably
up a couple times.
It probably has. Yeah.
It's hot in there.
Well, I have the key way up. Sorry. Am I gonna have to back this down from the cul-de-sac, like from the cul-de-sac, like I normally do?
I can.
Huh?
I can.
What? I can. I was just wondering.
I think you'll.
This way. We're gonna cut this person off. It's 50? Jeez. I don't think I've ever hauled anything this tall.
I don't think it's much taller than the stacks.
No.
Just don't tip it over.
It's not going to tip over.
Well, with your NASCAR driving, it will.
My NASCAR driving?
Yeah, you do like 50 through roundabouts in this.
Only sometimes. Speed limit's here, right here is 50 and only go 42, so you're always so judgy. So judgy.
Someone's got to.
All right, guys, well, we made it home, so stay tuned because I'm sure I'm gonna video us trying to get it off the trailer because all we have is the crane on the service truck and the excavator. So we're kind of thinking of maybe something like lifting it up and just driving the trailer out from underneath it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. We always do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.